Correct, correct. Excellent. Very nice. Yes. Okay. Now, Dr. Dan, can you share with us some kind of exercises that you do with corporates at leadership level? Because it'd be interesting to see that what are these kids now going to like what is the end goal? Because they'll obviously start working at some point, and they'll obviously want to be leaders in wherever they are working. Can you give
Yes.
some suggestions on how parents at this age just keep in mind of what kind of exercise that you are doing at that level, at the
Sure.
leadership level in corporates?
Sure. See, one thing which I'm doing at that level is I'm working on their listening capabilities. When a candidate do not listen completely, they start implementing their mind in between, the results are always bound to get wrong. So listening is something wherein you require complete listening.
Right.
Everybody needs to be, they want, other person to listen. So
Right.
what I first exercise I tell them, I keep them, myself busy with doing this exercises, listen completely.
Right.
What I do is I allow them to speak as much as they can.
Okay.
And when I start speaking, they say something in between. So I tell them that please wait. Did I listen to you completely? They say, yes, yes, ma'am, you were listening completely. Please allow me also.
Right.
Believe me, it's absolutely a mind changing moment.
Right.
They take a setback.
Right.
Listening is something which I definitely allow them to nurture.
Right.
Second, I tell them to talk to me about their what they are feeling.
Hmm.
I work on their feeling, their emotional level a lot, and I work in corporate especially. I work on the mind and heart connectivity a lot.
Right.
Listen to your mind and listen to your heart. And whatever activity both the things are saying, mind and heart, only do that activity.
Okay, but I
Now,
would say that would be very difficult to do because many times you know that this is the right thing, but you don't feel like doing something. For instance, suppose I have to wake up in the morning to study, like for a child, right? A child know that he's got an exam and he should be working, but he doesn't feel like it, right? That's a very common thing for students, for kids. So there's obviously a difference in what they are feeling and what they are thinking.
there is a
So,
difference. Parents needs to do the stuff along with the child. You study, study. No. He is studying, you also take a book along for story alongside. I
ah,
have seen major difference in that.
that's a great idea.
Yes.
Yeah.
And if the child is getting up, he is doing his work, you get up first, allow him to get up, let him do his work, you do your work.
Yeah.
Give partnership to your child.
Ah,
Similarly, in corporate, if your candidate is doing some notes, meanwhile you prepare his analysis,
right.
do till the time the student, the child, or a candidate, professional candidate, will not feel that there is a partnership between the parent, mentor, and coach, they are not going to give you the expected results.
Right.
You
Right.
need to give them partnership.
Right. This is excellent advice, and I think it holds true for every age because my
Every
child
age
is of
group,
course a little
every age group,
older, but
every
it's
age
a
group.
very good point, right? It's very very
In
good.
I'm an ICF certified coach. In coaching, what we do, we set the only the coachee, the candidate who is taking the session from a coach, they only set their goals. So we
Okay.
tell them that okay, you are setting the goal. They say yes. By what time? They'll say okay, 5 in the evening. So I tell them okay, I'll wait for your message that you have done it. Will that do? They are again making themselves responsible. My coach is waiting for my answer that yes, I have done it by
Right.
5. This I'm doing with professionals, and this really works.
Right. Right.
They
Right. Right.
feel that the coach is working in partnership with them. Same with
Correct.
parent, same with a teacher, mentor, and a coach.
If you like our videos, do subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.